Today, we are going to look at 3 useful Excel formulas. You may not try it yet, keep watching till the end. Here, I need the value in cell I2, where, if the 3 text string in the corresponding columns are matching with the given text in the first 3 columns. First, we will check whether the values between the corresponding column values are existing or not. If exist, it will return me true, else, will return me failed conditions. For this I can use index function. So, index, the array will be our cell ranges, from A2 to A15, which should be equal to our lookup value, which is F2, then comma, leave the row and column number arguments as default. Then press Ctrl Shift and Enter key to return me the array. This will be returned me the true, if the condition is met, otherwise will be failed. The same way we can do for the remaining lookup values as well. Next, I will multiply each array formula. This will return me the true condition, only if the 3 conditions are met true. Basically, this will be the basic idea to develop our formula. Next, I will use the match function to return me the row number where it does meet the 3 conditions are true. Hence, match, the lookup value will be 1, then my multiple index array formula with exact match. Now you can see it returned me 2, it means 3 conditions are met from the second row from the lookup table. Next, I will use the index function to return me the value. So, index, the array will be my output value, row number will be the same match function, leave column argument default since our output array has only 1 column. It returned me value 10. Use if error function, if the conditions don't meet them. Let me iterate some matching values. As you can see, it returned me the required values, if the 3 text values are true. This will be applicable for numerical values as well. In this formula, I need to extract all numbers from any position from the given text string. For this, we can use a simple technique. First, extract the individual string to the rows, then eliminate any text characters. Again, we can join the remained numbers by using text join function. OK. First, let us spill the individual characters to the consequence rows. For this, I will use the combination of row and indirect function. For example, if I use the formula like equal row, then indirect 1 : then I just enter 5 between the double quotes, then press Ctrl plus Shift and Enter key to generate an array formula. You can watch my previous tutorial on Excel array formula from the link. Now you can see it is generated the number from 1 to 5 on the corresponding rows. To check the calculation behind this, just click the formula and press F9 key. We will use the same method here to generate an array formula. Instead of the value 5, we will calculate the number of characters from the given string. OK, let us develop the formula for this requirement. Equal row, then indirect function. The reference argument will be 1, within the double quote, then XLLEN function to calculate the number of characters from the given string, then close the brackets and hit Ctrl Shift Enter key to generate the array formula. These generated numbers are indicating the total number of characters from the given text string. Next, I will use the excelmid function to extract the given character values by using this extracted numbers. So, mid, open bracket, then the text argument will be our given text. I will leave our existing function as startNum argument. Finally, the numchar argument will be 1, since we need to extract the individual values. Now you can see, each character is built to the corresponding rows. Next, I will multiply the formula with the value 1. As you can see here, it has returned the output value with errors. It means those errors are indicating the text character from the given text string. So, I will use if error function to remove those excel errors. In this way we can eliminate any text characters from the given text. Now the errors are disappeared. But you can see the remaining values are the numbers of the given text string. Next, I will use text join function to join these remaining numeric characters. So, text join, open bracket, for delimiter argument just I leave as default, which is no space on the return value. Ignore empty cells argument will be true. It will eliminate any blank cells. Then the text value will be our array formula. Then close bracket and hit Ctrl-Shift-Enter key. Now it returned me the entire numeric characters. Just copy down the formula. Now you can see it is returned all the numeric characters regardless the position of the numeric characters. Let us modify the text string. Yes, the formula is working perfectly. In this data, I need to extract the initial of the given name. For this we can use left, mid and search function. For the first initial character, I will use the left function, hence, equal, left, then text argument will be the given name, and the second argument will be 1, since I need only a single character. Now it is returned me the first character of the name. Next I need the first character from the second name. For this, I will use excelmid function and search function. Here the search function will be used to find the position of the space character. For example, equal, search, then find text argument will be space, since the second name starting after the space character, then the given name, startNum argument will be 1, since I need the position from the first character of the given name. It returned me 6. It means the space character is lied on the 6th position of the given name. Okay, let us use this formula with our first initial formula. To continue the formula, we have to use ampersand wildcard, then mid, text argument will be our name, then for the startNum I will use the search function as we see in the previous example. And, I need to add 1 with the search function since my first character lied after the space, hence +1, then the final argument will be 1, since I need only a single character. Now copy down the formula. Now it is extracted only the initial of the name. You can download the example file from the link in the description, and we have done it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts on this tutorial, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos on exciting Excel tutorials.